everyone, welcome back to the Digital Strategist. If you're new here, I'm Biwot, and I help brands, creators and marketers master their digital game. Today's video is all about building a powerful organic social media strategy. No ads, no money involved, just smart strategy and solid content. So if you're tired of paying to play, stick around. So what is organic social media marketing? It's all about reaching your audience naturally, without paid promotions. It's perfect for businesses that want to build a strong relationship with their audience, create a loyal and engaged community, tell their brand story and highlight the solutions they offer, let their customers do the talking with reviews and user-generated content, offer amazing customer service, and boost credibility and authenticity online. Before you create any strategy, you need to understand where you stand. And that's where a social media audit comes in. This means reviewing your profiles, content, engagement, and comparing everything against industry benchmarks. Here's what you gain from doing this: a deeper understanding of your audience, insight into areas you can improve, opportunities to stay current with the trends and outperform your competition. Now, let's break down how to conduct a social media audit in 8 simple steps. Step number 1, create a spreadsheet to track everything. 2, list your goals like brand awareness, growing followers, or driving traffic. 3, check for consistent branding across all your platforms. 4, collect important metrics like shares, engagement, reach, likes, etc. Analyze which content performs best. Number 6, conduct sentiment analysis. How do people feel about your content? Number 7, check out what your competitors are doing. Tools like SEMrush Social Tracker makes this easy. Number 8, measure your return on investment. Did you hit your goals or exceed your key performance indicators? After your audit, you'll notice some platforms are stronger than others. If you're managing everything solo, here's how to make the most out of your time and efforts. Focus on platforms aligned with your audience. For example, beauty, you can use Instagram and Facebook. Be creative, use reels, stories, carousels, lives, and polls. Create a content calendar and schedule ahead. Join relevant communities and conversations. Engage beyond your own timeline. Comment, reply, connect. You should also be able to encourage user-generated content and also track content performance using analytics tools. Now, let's jump into a quick demo using SEMrush Social Poster tool to bring your strategy to life. You'll need to connect your social profiles, use the calendar to plan posts, draft content preview, how it looks and schedule it, set recurring posts, great for weekly promos like Burger King's free coffee Tuesdays, view your queue and past performance, discover content ideas from trending sources. Bonus, use the Chrome extension to post articles directly while browsing. Not sure what content to post? Use insights from your audit to decide. But here are a few tried and tested content types to include. Stories. These in Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Reels, Instagram and Facebook. Carousels, Instagram. Polls, Instagram stories and Twitter. Community conversation, spaces and lives. User-generated content, trending videos in your niche, memes, infographics, and industry news. So let's recap. Today we have covered how to build an organic strategy, conduct a complete social media audit, use SEMrush Social Poster to plan and schedule like a pro, and to create content that connects with your audience. That's all on organic social media strategy. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss updates. If this video helped you, drop a comment below and let me know what part of your strategy you're working on right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.